Hi everyone, Peter here from P-Man Construction, Sales and Rentals. Just wrapped up an incredible few days at the GFX show in Long Beach. Listening to fleet supervisors from all over the country talk about massive pushes forward with fleet electrification. Sitting in these sessions, I got a major reality check. I chose to electrify my fleet because I love technology. Some of these fleet managers are being directed to accept the change by mandates. They're facing the hard reality of dealing with that decision. Truly collaborative and high-energy experience. One massive problem kept coming up in every single training session: a severe shortage of repair technicians. Fleets just can't find or retain talent to maintain these platforms. Now, a lot of this heavy infrastructure and labor issues, these guys are dealing with it. As a small fleet like mine, I don't have to. It got me thinking, how could we build a turnkey solution to solve their constraints and bridge that gap? Let's check out the Ride and Drive. Let's look at the future of clean transportation. Let's dive in.
GFX. Let's go, Maestro. Let's hit it. Let's go, Jose. What you got? Bring it home. Come on. Bring it home.
Fleet Rev 2026. Hands up, everyone.
Let's go. Come on. Show me some love now. Show me some love. Come on now. You're going into the session. You're going into the honor session. You got to go in with some flavor, some power. Let's go. Come on.
Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 3. You move the world with efficiency. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 3.
Come on, Jose, bring it.
The world with efficiency. Tell them
So
how we do it out.
with the clean fuel in the tank. Public service mindset, that's how we rank. EVs in the line of early adopters we be living. From chargers to trucks, the data steady talking, telematics online, see the miles that we walking. Policy to payment, we just don't discuss. We deploy, we improve, build trust through the rust. Come on, let's go, come on. Hands up, let's go, come on now, bring it home, come on. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 3. We move the world with efficiency. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 3. We move the world with efficiency. Come on. We got solar on the roof, the clean fuel in the tank. Public service mindset is how we rank. EVs in the line of early adopters we be living. From chargers to trucks, the data steady talking, telematics on see the miles that we walking. Policy to payment, we just don't discuss. We deploy, we improve, build trust through the rust. Hey!
We had the opportunity to speak to the vendors and get hands-on with their products. There was plenty of swag to go around.
I want all you guys out there to put your rap together, and I'm going to see you on stage 2027 in Cobb County for GFX 2027. Okay, come up with your rap. I'm going to put you out here, and we're going to do it. All right? Walk out here, please.